San Antonio researchers on the front lines in the fight against Zika are backed by a new $2 million grant. It's the first time the Department of Defense is funding the Texas Biomedical Research Institute. Here's Sharon Coe with more from the lead researcher of that study.
So this is the first time the DOD has funded a study like this at Texas Biomed. Why now?
Well, I think there's an urgency now to see if we can develop some treatments for Zika in pregnancy. We're looking at an Army-developed formalin inactivated vaccine. The end result is perhaps to vaccinate all soldiers that are going into areas where Zika is endemic. I mean, we're not just worried about pregnant soldiers, we're also worried about partners, because partners, as we know, Zika is sexually transmitted. So you want to make sure that we don't have partners being infected and then going home and infecting their partner.
And so how has the study been going so far?
Well, we developed the animal model so that we know that we can use it in pregnancy, and we have some preliminary data, but the vaccinations will start taking place immediately.
And I know you mentioned that marmosets, the testing is being done on marmosets, but why marmosets, and why are they such a good animal model for this?
Well, we know a lot about the reproductive system, and that's important when you're looking at a pregnancy study. Also, they breed all year long. Whenever they're ready, we can start breeding them, and we can get more experiments done within a single breeding season.
When you're narrowing down what vaccine to look at, was this the particular vaccine just the best one, the most promising one?
To us, it was the most promising one, because we believe that the most serious issue for Zika is not getting infected as a little kid, it's getting infected during pregnancy. So we wanted to find a vaccine that we knew would most likely go on to human testing. You have to be careful anytime you give any sort of treatment to a pregnant woman. She has some immunocompromised situation, and so you want to make so that you don't have any live vaccine. They're already doing safety testing now in volunteers, and presumably they go on to safety testing in pregnant humans.
That was Sharon Coe with Dr. Jean Patterson. The $2 million funding will be awarded over a 3-year period. And still